As technology continues to push the boundaries, it's crucial to have the right tools at your disposal. So, we've scoured the market and narrowed it down to the best of the best. Stay tuned to know which is the best of 2023. Starting off number 5, Anker Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. With this dual feature, it became a formidable force in providing comprehensive cleaning solutions for modern homes. One of the key advantages of the Eufy RoboVac series was its powerful suction capability. The X8 Hybrid's robust suction allowed it to effectively eliminate dirt, dust, and debris from a wide range of floor surfaces, be it hardwood, tiles, or carpets. This ensured a thorough and efficient cleaning process, leaving homes spotless and pristine. Smart mapping and navigation were integral to the success of the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. This advanced technology enabled the robot to chart optimized cleaning paths, avoiding obstacles along the way. By intelligently maneuvering through spaces, the X8 Hybrid showcased its adaptability and versatility. With the convenience of a smartphone app, users could now schedule cleaning sessions, monitor progress, and even control the robot remotely. The Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid's app integration allowed for seamless interaction and personalized cleaning routines. Moreover, the robot's compatibility with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant elevated the user experience to a whole new level. Through voice commands, cleaning tasks became as simple as uttering a few words. Anker's commitment to convenience extended further with the robot's self-charging and resumption capabilities. When the battery level ran low, the X8 Hybrid automatically returned to its charging dock, ensuring it was always ready for the next cleaning session. Even more impressively, after recharging, the robot could resume cleaning from the precise point it left off, without any user intervention. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Combo. You'll no longer worry about missed spots or inefficient cleaning patterns. Thanks to its intelligent mapping capabilities, the robot can adapt to your floor layout and efficiently clean multi-room spaces without getting stuck. The Roomba J7 Plus Combo takes automation to the next level with its self-emptying base. Once the vacuuming session is complete or when its dustbin is full, it autonomously returns to its dock and empties the contents into a larger container, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying. This means you can enjoy hands-off cleaning for extended periods, making housekeeping a breeze. Controlling the Roomba J7 Plus Combo is a seamless experience with its app connectivity. From your smartphone, you can easily schedule cleaning sessions, customize cleaning preferences, and even monitor its progress remotely. The robot also integrates with popular smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands. When it comes to performance, the Roomba J7 Plus Combo truly excels. Its powerful suction capabilities tackle various floor surfaces, from carpets to hard floors, and it efficiently captures dust, debris, and pet hair, leaving your floors immaculate. What sets the Roomba J7 Plus Combo apart is its innovative dirt detection system. Equipped with advanced sensors, the robot can identify areas with higher dirt concentration and gives them special attention, ensuring a deep and thorough cleaning in those spots. Number 3. Roomba J7. The ultimate cleaning companion. Meet the Roomba J7, a revolutionary robot vacuum that has taken the cleaning world by storm. With its smart mapping and navigation capabilities, the Roomba J7 effortlessly glides through your home, creating precise floor plans and optimizing cleaning paths. It adapts to various floor types, leaving carpets, hardwood, and tiles spotless. Say goodbye to manual emptying, as this genius device features a self-emptying base, making maintenance a breeze. App connectivity and voice control allow you to schedule cleanings with ease, all while advanced filtration captures even the tiniest particles, improving your indoor air quality. Number 2. Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the Shark AI Ultra navigates your home with precision and efficiency. Its advanced mapping capabilities, powered by laser or camera-based sensors, create an accurate layout of your living space. This smart navigation allows the robot to plan optimized cleaning paths, ensuring every corner is thoroughly cleaned while avoiding obstacles along the way. Connecting the Shark AI Ultra to your smartphone via an intuitive app brings a new level of control and convenience. From your fingertips, you can remotely manage cleaning schedules, receive cleaning reports, and create virtual boundaries to guide the robot's path or protect delicate areas in your home. And that's not all. The Shark AI Ultra seamlessly integrates with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. With just a simple voice command, you can activate or direct the robot, making cleaning even more effortless and hands-free. Its versatility shines through its multi-surface cleaning capabilities. The Shark AI Ultra adapts effortlessly to various surfaces, from plush carpets to sleek hardwood floors, and even handles kitchen tiles and rugs with ease. With its large dustbin and water tank capacity, the Shark AI Ultra reduces the need for frequent interruptions during cleaning sessions, allowing you to focus on other tasks with peace of mind. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Equipped with state-of-the-art VSLAM registered navigation, this robotic wonder maps your home with precision, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. It glides in straight lines, effortlessly covering every inch of your floor while avoiding obstacles. Get ready for the ultimate cleaning experience with perfect edge registered technology. The Roomba S9 Plus tackles those tough corners and edges effortlessly, leaving no dirt behind. And that's not all. With imprint-registered smart mapping, you can customize cleaning zones and no-go areas through the iRobot Home app. Watch as the Roomba S9 Plus adapts to your needs and becomes an integral part of your smart home ecosystem. Say goodbye to constant maintenance, thanks to the clean base registered automatic dirt disposal. The Roomba S9 Plus self-empties its bin into the base after each cleaning session, providing hassle-free cleaning for weeks at a time. No more worrying about a full bin or manual emptying. Just let the Roomba S9 Plus handle it. Experience unbeatable cleaning prowess as the Roomba S9 Plus powerfully lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its high-efficiency filter ensures that your home is left fresh and allergen-free. Find vacuum robot that suit you the most and enjoy. All links will be down below, and check out our other videos that pop up on screen. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.